Good morning students. Today I am going to start computer of class 7th chapter 2. Name of the chapter is number system part 15. So in this chapter I am going to teach you about number system. When there were no means of counting, people are used to count with the sticks, pebbles, stones, etc. To overcome these problems, many number systems were introduced. So these all are the number systems. Just like first one is decimal number system. Second, binary number system. Third, octal number system. Fourth, hexadecimal number system. So these all are the different types of number system. I am going to teach you what is the meaning of number system first. Okay. So, number system. Number system is a set of values used to represent different quantities such as number of students in a class. So, number system is a set of values which are used to represent different quantities. Okay. Just like different number of viewers watching a particular show or a number of students in a class. So this is called the number system. Okay. Now second point I am going to tell you about the base or index. What is base or index? Base we can say as index also. So the total number of digits used in a number system is called its base or index. Whatever the numbers are used in number system is called as base. For example, I have given you just like decimal number system is 25, but the base number, this is your base number, okay? So base number is 10. So total number of digits used in a number system is called its base. So 25 is a number and the base is 10 because 10 numbers are used in decimal number system. Hope you understood the meaning of number system and what is base or what is index. Is it clear? Now, I am going to start with the decimal number system. What is decimal number system? Now I am going to start this one. First one is decimal number system. Decimal number system with the base 10. Why? Because 0 to 9 numbers are used in decimal number system with base 10. So 1 to 9, 9 numbers are there plus 0. So total 10 numbers are there. So we use the base number as 10 in decimal number system. So 10 is the base of decimal number system. Okay. Hope you understood. Okay. Each number can be used individually or they can be grouped to form a numeric value. For example, I will give you just like C. For example, 82. So this is your number system or minus 256 or we can say that 52.87 etc. Okay. So these all are the decimal number system. The value of each digit in a number, it depends upon the following. I am giving you the value of each digit is depend on the following. Just like first point is face value of the digit. So what is the face value of the digit? Okay. Now the second point is the base of the number system. Okay. Now the third point is the position of the digit. The position of the digit in the number. Is it clear? So these numbers values are totally depend on these points. Each position represents a specific power of the base 10 and the rightmost digit of a number is called least significant digit. So 2 points we have to remember, least significant digits and most significant digits. So right side is called as a least significant digit and the left side, leftmost digit is called as a most significant digits. I am giving you one example, just like 547. I have given you one number 547. This is your number, okay? So the most left side or most right side. So this is your left side and this is your right side. So right side is called as a least significant digit. This is called as a least significant digit. Okay, and this is your leftmost side, this one. This is called as a most significant digit. That is most significant digit. Hope you understood. So these two you have to remember. Okay, now I am going to solve the same example 547. Okay, how you are going to solve this one in decimal number system? First I'll tell you. I have taken this 5, 4 and 7. This is the number. Now we have to take the base number as 10. So in this 7, first what we will do, like this, and then we will do that 7. This number is 7. 7 into 10. We have to multiply with the base number. Means in every number we have to multiply with the base number. So first we have to start with the least significant digit. Then we will take it 4 as 4 into 10. Then we will take it 5 as 5 into 10. This is the way to solve the number in decimal number system. So 7 into 10. Now we have to give this unit, tens, 100 like this. We have to give the power. So for unit we will give 0, 1, 2. Okay. We have to give this power in the base number. Now we will calculate it. So 10 raised to the power 0, that is 10 raised to the power 0, that is 1, and 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 10 raised to the power 1, that is 10 into 1, 10 ones are 10, and 10 into 4 is called 40. Again in this 10 in that raised to the power 2 means 10 tens are 100, and 100 into 5, that is 500. When we are going to count it, 500 plus 40 plus 7, that will come 5, 4, 7. Is it clear? The numbers are same here also and here also. So this is the way to solve decimal number system with the base number 10. Always we have to multiply with the base number and then we have to give unit, tens, 100, thousands like this. We have to give the power. Hope you understood this total decimal number system. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.